Dictation will be started in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I rise to support the demands that have been placed before the House by the Home Minister. Stop. Sir, I need not remind the House that this year the Home Ministry's demands are being discussed in a context which can be described as almost unprecedented. Stop. It is for the first time that we are discussing the demands of the ministry after the country passed through the period of the emergency that rocked the very basic structure of the constitution and our policy and made the common people of our country realize what they have lost with the eclipse of their fundamental rights and freedom. Stop. Sir, the 19 months of rule marked the culmination of a concerted effort to undermine democracy. Stop. Those who wanted to destroy the democracy and convert our system into a totalitarian system had looked upon the Home Ministry as the main instrument for forcing their will on the nation. Stop. New para. They wanted to substitute the rule of law with a regime of terror to place individuals above the law, to provide immunity to those whom the group liked and harass all those who were looked upon as dangerous to the monopoly of power that the extra constitutional group wanted to preserve. Stop. The then Home Minister was himself a captive of this group. Stop. It was practically a totalitarian regime and was therefore bound to be a police regime. Stop. That is why I would request the Home Minister that the whole police department should be thoroughly overhauled. Stop. Sir, I do not want to take the time of the House by listing the various agencies and organizations that were set up in the police department and the home department during emergency, and before that I also do not want to take the time to of the House in describing the fabulous amounts of money that had been placed at the disposal of RA and other agencies. Stop. Even the money was placed at the disposal of certain individuals and that was exempted from the scrutiny of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India or the Parliament. Stop. I do not want to go into all these details, but I would only request the Home Minister to go into these things and ensure that such things do not happen in future. Stop. Under the circumstances, sir, the task of the Home Minister is therefore one of dismantling the police state that was built up by the previous government. Stop.